Now there is one tricky question. If we create primary key, which index will be created? Remember, this question is very common question in every company because they just want to check your awareness, your knowledge. So they will ask, if I create primary key on a column in a table, which index will create automatically? You just simply reply with pure confidence, cluster index. If we create primary key, which index will be created? Cluster index. That's it. What is self-join? SQL self-join is used to join a table to itself. If the table were two tables, temporarily renaming one table into SQL statement. Now, you are thinking how we can join a single table, right? That we call to joining a single table is called self-join. So, one single table, suppose its name is A, okay? Join same table and rename it at B, okay? Like select star from table A, bracket, we give it alias A, inner join or self join, select a star from same table, bracket, alias as B, where alias of table 1 dot matching column equal to alias of select query B matching column. You will get result. Now you are thinking why we are doing self join. In a table, if we want to know how many working person reporting to one manager, because in one manager there are many worker, okay, like column of worker, if you will see in that worker A, worker B, worker C, worker D, all worker has same manager. So if we want to count how many worker reporting to one manager, or one manager want to check how many worker we have under me, so that count we can find from self join. So what is self join? The SQL self join is used to join a table to itself. If the table were two tables, temporary renaming one table in SQL statement, that is self join. What is cross join? If we join two table without where clause, then the table join as cross product. As we see, for joining we need some filter. We should know what data we exactly want. So if we want to join a good join, then we need where clause. Filter, we can say it is filter. But if you are doing join and you are not using where clause, then it will multiply everything. Like one table A has 4 row, table B has 5 row, then you will get output of 20 row. That is called cross join. So before join, take care what data I want, what value we want. So where clause is necessary. Like select, you want data of all employee in a table who has salary 10,000. So you should write select star from a table where salary equal to 10,000. Okay, but if you are not using where clause, it will give you entire data. What is an ALIAS command? Remember, ALIAS is very important in SQL query. If you are doing some report kind of work with SQL, then ALIAS is very important. So read it carefully. What is ALIAS command? ALIAS name assigned to a table or column. We can use ALIAS in where clause as reference of table or column. ALIAS is nothing but, you can say, it is nickname. Like my name is Narendra, but my nickname is Guddu. Okay, so in my family, everyone, they call me by my nickname. Okay, so ALIAS is nothing but a nickname. If your table, it has very big name like employee, salary, department and blah blah blah, so in every join you cannot call that big name, so we give a shortcut of that table. A long name, we give it shortcut, we call it ALIAS. So what is an ALIAS command? ALIAS name assigned to a table or column. We can use ALIAS in where clause as reference of table or column. That is ALIAS. What is difference between truncate and drop statement? Truncate delete data, not structure of data. Drop command remove a table from database and it cannot be rolled back. Remember, if you want to delete entire data of table, you can just do truncate. Okay, it will delete entire data from your table, but it will not delete structure of data. But drop command, it will remove a table from a database and you will never roll back it. So if you want to delete table entirely from database, you just put drop command. But if you want to truncate, if you want to just delete data from a table, just do truncate. That is difference between truncate and drop statement.